see a boy ugly as this. Yes, when they just done play some tennis and thing, we feel beat out. Play some tennis under the lights and thing. Yeah. I don't think enough of vlog bow for the week here. Honestly, I really know for vlog bow. So, I don't know. Jelly bean, gingerbread. I need to give them some things for do. I'm gonna vlog about it. Anything I might interest to know. Anything like that. Yeah. Oh, you know what I gotta do? I just make some random clips and just put them together in our vlog. I wanna think about that. Yeah. I gotta do that. So this, when I clip them, that's a random clip. They're the tennis court and thing. But yeah, this is gonna be one of the clip them.
Come on.
Cut up. Looking at my eye. Looking at my eye. I love that, you know. See love in my eye. Yeah. But yeah. So some random clips I go throw up and I make a vlog about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes long. Yeah. But gone. I'm y'all later. Not if you can sue me ago. Place it well hot and then the rain does come down all of a sudden. Out of nowhere the rain does come down just like that. You have to crawl when you're in them over there. Oh man, Florida the best, may I tell you. Best. I man put on my indicator cause reach my exit now still, so it kinda clear up. The truck here in front of me, so yeah. Well, people, this is Florida for you. Hello! I couldn't take it no more, so I actually buy an umbrella, as you can see. A little umbrella, $3 umbrella, yeah. So you don't know, so you have to deal with it. Come on, umbrella nice. Hey! Can't make my vlog in the rain now. Yes. But yeah, we finally buy the umbrella because Florida weather too weird. So it's actually good, you know, to actually get an umbrella. So I'm follow my auntie advice and I finally buy an umbrella because I'm not too like the umbrella thing. Prefer even a raincoat, but yeah. It's worth it. Done! People, this is the time. 12:35 a.m. And look what going on. Probably Jamaican people are the only people who cook this late. This is what I'm going to do. Jamaicans alone cook this late. Well, you're hungry, so you just have to eat, you know. So, I'm going to eat some food right now. Alright. Yes, I'm watching this documentary. It's really nice. I hope my jelly bean and gingerbread's like this. Bike at them always at the road, you know. The money away for no traffic at all. Really need to get myself a bike, honestly. Yeah, the money not easy, you know. Cut and go through same way.